Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the ChatGPT error you appear to have lost connection. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to send messages, but they don't go through and time out and show the error. During our research, we were unable to find any official information on the error, but it looks like a general error coming because of a temporary system-side issue. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close and restart the ChatGPT. Once done, try to use it again. If the error still comes, then make sure you are not using a VPN. If using any, then disable it if it is active, and check for the error again. If the error persists, then wait for a few hours. Based on user feedback, these kinds of errors are often clear on their own. So you also give it some time and try again. At last, if the error still persists and you are using the ChatGPT app, then try switching to the ChatGPT browser version or use a different device such as a PC or vice versa, and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.